Hi everyone. So I didn't mean to do 2 unboxings in a row, but the mail just worked out like that. So today we have a Dia&Co unboxing. And if you're unfamiliar with Dia, they are a plus size styling service. So they only do sizes 14 to 32, I wanna say. And it's a $20 styling fee. And if you end up keeping anything from your box, that $20 goes towards that item. So I've had a few Dia boxes in my day. My favorite of all time leather jacket that's been around the world with me, that was from a Dia box. This was from a Dia box. I love this dress. This is like such an easy go-to summer dress. So I've had some like pretty good hits. I'll get the occasional miss. I do feel like they'll send me basics sometimes and I'm like, me personally, I don't need basics, but when they hit it out of the park. So I've gotten some really good items from them. So this one, I truly have no idea what's in here, but I did update my style profile. After I got a few things that I didn't like, I updated my style profile. I changed the prices. I did go a little bit out of my comfort zone for this box. I feel like in every other haul, I try a jumpsuit and they just are terrible. And I even came to the conclusion, I'm like, jumpsuits are not for me. And that's okay, because not everything has to be for me. But when I filled out my styling request this time, I did ask Dia&Co for a jumpsuit. So we'll see how they do style-wise. Usually they never fit me. Or they fit me, but they don't fit me how I want them to. They're just bad on me in general. But I did ask for one, so we'll see if I get one. So open the box so you get your little note from your stylist and your prepaid mailer bag. So this is great for people who hate going to the dressing room. We have all had our fair share of meltdowns in a dressing room, am I right? So this takes that out of the equation. It's sent right to you. You can try it on as you want to in the comfort of your own home. And I always feel like I'm sweating in a dressing room. So like you get to do it at home and then send back what you don't like. I got my letter and it is from Patrice. I'm not gonna read it because when I read on camera, I stumble over my words and you're gonna wonder if I ever learned how to read. But it does start with Happy Dia Day and that's very cute. What am I doing? So you get the note from your stylist and then you get your invoice. So this has the prices, sizes, and the brands. And they also do free exchanges. So if you like something, but it like just wasn't your size, they'll exchange it for you if you end up keeping it. And then with Dia&Co, you have 5 days to decide if you want to keep it or not. And if you keep all 5 items, you get 25% off. So let's go through it. So this, again, is a true unboxing. I have no idea what's in here. So this will be first reactions and then I'll try it on in a minute. So first of all, we got City Chic, which I freaking love. I love City Chic. This is a little shirt. The thing said blazer. Addy sheer sleeve blazer. Cool. So this is in a size 16, which is their version of small. So this is really different. I've never seen a blazer with the sheer sleeve. Like when I first got it out, I thought it was a shirt. So this is something different and it's not as, I think, stuffy as a blazer. I feel like, you know, like a businesswoman when I wear a blazer. I do have a fair amount of them. But this is something a little different, a little bit more, you know, wear it on the weekend kind of a thing. Not bad so far. Oop. Hit the camera. It is literally right on top of my lap. So this is cute. I like the puff sleeve. It's not like bam 80s woman, but it's like a nice little shape. This is cute. It's a little snug on me. I have gained weight, but a little snug, but I can move in this. So not so bad. I'll probably do like a proper try on when I edit this. I did check the Dia&Co website and in your profile under your box, it'll show you how they would style everything that's in your box 2 different ways. So like more casual and then a more dressed up way. So I like that they did that to show you different ways to wear the things, because a lot of the times you'll get something and you're like, okay, cool, but like where am I, like how am I gonna wear this? I'm not going to like a business meeting, you know? But they'll show you how to wear it more casually, you know, out with your friends or even to work, but not as like serious business lady, you know, like a cool lady at your office. So as I mentioned before, it was a little snug. Like I definitely cannot close it, but this is definitely meant to be worn open and loosely. I like where it's hitting me. This is cute. Does have pocket. No, they're fake. They're fake, but you know, they have the look of the pocket here. I do really like the sheer arm. That's something different. And they're really breathable. Like I don't feel constricted here, even though it is that like chiffon material. Let me know if I should keep this one. This one I'm kind of on the fence about. Next, wow, this pattern reminds me of fall. Reminds me, it is fall. Okay, so I think Is this a jumpsuit? This might be the jumpsuit. All right, so this is from the brand Chetta B, and this is in a 14W. Oh, so this is different. So we got like an off the shoulder, or I suppose you can, you know, pop it up here, jumpsuit in this like cool rusty orange red, really cool pattern, a flutter sleeve, which I love, and I was calling it a butterfly sleeve last week. Oops, butterflies flutter. We all get it. So automatically good that this jumpsuit has a lot going on pattern-wise, because I do feel like I get the immediate camel toe, and I feel like a busy pattern will detract from that. So hopefully once this is on, you don't really see the outline of my entire lower body. So I have high hopes for this, and it has a nice wide leg, seems pretty stretchy. Automatically, I know I want to belt it because I think it'll look good to break it up a little bit, but like I have good feelings about this, and I do like the inside of the top is lined. So I like that added construction here. So hopefully this works out. This is pretty cute. All right guys, it's happening. I like a jumpsuit. So I wore it up here, and actually it's better this way. I don't feel like I would wear it off the shoulder, although that looks cute, but I just think it sits so much better here. I love this frill right here. It feels good throughout, except, and this gets me in most other jumpsuits, I'm not getting the camel toe seam in my body. I'm getting the seam going like right into my butt. Like it's in there. But it is giving me like a really defined ass. Like it's like bam, but like it's only because it's cutting me right down the middle. It's giving me butt definition, but I can feel it. So there's the trade-off there. It doesn't look that bad. I feel like I do get that, the penguin in Batman feeling here, but like it's not super noticeable. And again, like I carry my weight like a pregnant person, so I'm gonna look like this in literally anything. So why do I keep blaming it on the jumpsuit? But the jumpsuit does accentuate it. But this is really comfy. I love the feeling throughout the legs. Again, they're that wide leg. And like I mentioned, the busy pattern is kind of forgiving to this area because I got lumps and bumps and creases and all that jazz. But the pattern is kind of taking away from that, which is pretty good. I did grab the first belt I saw in my closet, and actually this is a terrible belt to grab, but you know, I would do, maybe break it up a little. Yeah, that's cute. Just to, you know, it's just like so much pattern. Maybe just like, here's my top, here's my bottom kind of thing. But this isn't bad. So I think they delivered well with what I asked them. I did ask for patterns, and I did ask for a fun jumpsuit. So like, they, you know, they listened to me. Also, I do want to mention this has a zip up the back, but I didn't need to unzip it. I literally stepped right in and got in, and there was no tearing sounds. So that was good. So this was pretty easy to get into. I know that's another thing I have with jumpsuits. It's like, okay, when you gotta pee, you gotta fully undress. So this is easy enough to get in and out of by yourself in a bathroom stall. I also think this might be cute with a denim jacket. My lighter wash one is downstairs, but I did have this one at the ready. How cute. Okay, like good fall little outdoor party kind of thing. Cute. That's really cute. Okay, I like this. I could still feel it in my butt, but I like it. Next, we have some jeans, and this would be good, except I just went to the CurvyCon where I got 2 pairs of free Dia jeans. So these are from their Molly and Isadora line. So it's like, I'm good here because I already have 2 of these, like brand new. But these are their size 14 mid-rise skinny. I'll try them on for you for the video, but I literally own 2 of these. So this was unnecessary, but I think I put in my style request before the CurvyCon. So it's like, how was I supposed to know I'd already owned 2 of these? But their jeans are really well constructed. I love the wash of these. I'm pretty basic. I like a dark wash with like no distressing, you know, just pop these on, go to work, you're good. Pretty stretchy. So I honestly haven't tried on the CurvyCon ones yet, so I truly don't know how these will fit, but just by feeling it, I feel like they have pretty good construction, so we'll see about the fit. I do have to admit, I'm not a big jeans wearer. I just don't like pants, and a lot of my weight is my lower stomach, so I don't like how that button feels like in my fat roll, you know? So I don't really wear jeans a lot, but if these fit really well, then like, they'll be in rotation, you know? I don't remember updating my style profile. I might have said, you know what, it's okay to send me jeans, but I used to, in my Dia profile, say, do not send me jeans. So I don't remember if I switched that or not. They are a little tight here. I'm gonna do the sit test in a second, but they are pretty tight here. I don't really wear jeans though, so like my perception is way off on how things should feel. Like I wear leggings or pony pants most of the time, but you know, they're giving me a great butt, like really comfy throughout, just a little tight here. Again, I have a very squeaky floor, but I love the skinny fit throughout. So let's try a little sit test. How messy is my room? I don't know. Okay, here we go. It's being engulfed by like a layer of my fat, but I'm not immediately uncomfortable. I can definitely, I don't know who sits like this at work, but I'm giving it the every angle kind of a thing. I'm not uncomfortable. Most of my weight sits like right here. That's not the case for everybody because I feel like every other plus size person has like great hips and a great ass. I don't. All my weight is in the beer gut. So I'm not immediately uncomfortable, so that's pretty good. I'm more so on the 16 side, but these are 14 and these get on, they fit, they didn't burst at the seams. So I do have the 14 and the 16. I got at the CurvyCon, so I'll probably do like a wear test with those at some point. But honestly, these aren't that bad. So if I didn't already have two, the Molly and Isadora, their own, this is the Dia&Co line. This would be a good option if you are not a big jeans wearer like me and kind of like want a few just to have as a basic. I would request the Molly and Isadora jeans. Oh my God, they are really soft. I like these. And they don't feel like a pajama jean. I feel like a lot of plus size jeans are like sweatpants like painted on with denim, but these are true denim, a good amount of stretch without being too stretchy. When I do the wear test with the other ones, we'll see if they like keep their form throughout the day, but I'm very impressed with these. So I would put in a request if you want some jeans in your Dia style request, because these aren't that bad. So these are good, but I'm not keeping them because I already own some. Oh, this is soft. So this is Cameo Appearance brand 1X, just a gray sweater. This is really soft and I'll definitely wear it, but this is very basic. So it's definitely one of those things where I could have gotten this myself on the sale rack at like Marshall's or something. You know, this is pretty basic. I don't know. Like I have credits in my Dia account and anyone can get these credits. You just have to refer a friend. So I do have enough money to keep this and it's really cozy and warm and soft and it'll probably fit me. Like it is pretty big. Watch it be tight. But when I'm signing up for a styling service, I'm not expecting a gray sweater, you know? Unless it was like cool cable knit, you know, like then yeah, it's different. But this is truly just like a gray piece of fabric. So this one, styling wise, kind of a dud. I'm pretty basic though, so I'll wear it as a layering piece because I just can't stop petting it. But like, this is again, I could have gotten this at Macy's, Old Navy, literally anywhere. So doesn't fit my needs in a styling box, you know? Okay, this is the shirt. Again, really comfy, really soft, so I will be keeping this with the credits I have in my Dia account. It's like, why not just buy it? This will be a really good layering piece. It's like baby doll peplum-esque, like it really skims off my body, so that's really nice. 3/4 sleeve. I think it fits really well. So this one, you know, fit-wise, a winner. But again, if I'm signing up for a styling service, I want something more fun. So I think I will be updating my profile again and asking for more fun pieces, I guess, or just like more intricate, I don't know. But as a basic, it's good. Would I ever pay full price for this? Absolutely not, but I do have credits. But again, this is like the clearance rack at Marshall's. Anyone has this. Okay, my styling profile used to say, don't send me accessories because I didn't really have the need for them. And I feel like the first couple times I got a Dia box, they were sending me earrings and I'm like, my ears aren't pierced. So I took accessories off for a while. And then I realized I don't have any accessories. So when I redid my profile this summer, I was like, okay, I'm back on the accessories bandwagon. Send me some accessories. And I have a purse currently in my hands, and this could not have come at a better time because this was the purse I was using all summer, and it literally broke right off the day after my big purse broke. So I had 2 purses break on me within 24 hours. This had a good run. I've had this since 2014. Could not have happened at a better time when this completely bit the dust. So got a new purse. So this one is also from Chic. So again, a brand that I love. Let's see. So it's a fold over, and then it's like a big pouch. So this pouch goes that deep. I don't know if you can really stuff it this deep. You can, I guess, and then, you know, wear it like that, but it is a fold over, and it has a magnet here to keep it folded over. So that's pretty cool. I don't really have purses like this. So this is like a little fringe detail, but then inside you do have the larger strap. Ooh, it's gold. Fun. Okay. So you can use it as a clutch, like a fold over clutch, but then they give you the strap to, you know, make it a crossbody. I wear them crossbody. So this is really cute, and I feel like it's neutral enough that it'll go with everything, but still fun. So it's gray with these gold little details here. So I think this is pretty cute. I don't know the functionality of this fold over. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I don't really carry much with me, like small purse wise. Small purse, it's like my wallet, phone, and then like that kind of stuff. I have the big purse for when you have like a full day out, you know? So this might be good for like the small purse days. So this was a winner. I like this. Okay, so that was everything in my Dia&Co box. Let me know your favorites, what your hit and misses were for this box. I definitely think I need to go back to my style profile and let them know like, hey, I'm good on jeans, and like if you're gonna send me a sweater, make sure it's fun, I guess, you know, because I felt like that one was like a little too basic. Oddly enough, it's the one I'm like definitely keeping just because it's a good layering piece, but you know, I could get that anywhere, but I had the money. And speaking of the Dia credits, anyone can get these. You don't need to be a YouTuber or an Instagrammer. If you refer a friend, they give you money, so builds up pretty fast, and then you can use that money to buy something in your Dia box. So anyone can do that. Tell your friends, tell your coworkers, and get a little money in your account. So if you've never tried Dia&Co, I will leave a link down below. If you've already tried Dia&Co and want to try it again, I will leave a link down below. As I've said, it's really important to do your style profile. You can even include pictures to things you like, to people's Pinterest boards, Instagrams. So that's a really good way to go about, because then you know your stylist is getting a really good idea of what you want. Sometimes I do come across $0 styling fee Dia boxes or a $10 styling fee Dia box. So if I do in my hunt on the internet, I will leave a link down below for those. If not, I will just leave my basic try Dia link. But I'm on the hunt for you guys because you know we love saving a buck here. So I will leave a link down below if I do find anything. This is cute. I'm like really digging this. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. I have a ton of stuff coming up. I'm trying to go on a low buy, but I do have a bunch of things that I've already gotten that I haven't showed you yet. So I have like a fun Halloween haul, a Halloween costumes haul, a collective haul, and another Shein haul. So there's a lot of stuff coming. So let me know what other kinds of videos you want to see, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. I also think this would be good with a denim jacket, which I literally just saw in my room. No, it's downstairs. Okay. Oh, I have another one.